Hello everybody, this is SVT Austin, here with my 2009 Shelby GT500. Just picked it up 2 days ago on Sunday, 2,000 miles on it. Performance white with blue stripes on it. Well, there is one issue with the car that I was already aware of when I bought it. It's one of the AC actuator parts up in the HVAC system, up in the dash underneath it. And this little thing, once they break, there's little teeth inside, like little, almost like little cog wheels that spin on each other. And once those teeth start missing each other, or they break or chip or something like that, you hear a clicking sound whenever you adjust the what is it here? Whenever you adjust the dial right there behind that cable that changes the airflow, the actuator actually controls that piece, and you hear a clicking sound when you do that. So what you have to do is you get up in here where the glove box is. There's actually 3 of them. There's one underneath here. If I take it back for you to give you an idea, so what the glove box looks like here. There's an actuator up underneath there. There's one right there that's easily accessible, and then there is another one up there that you can see where that red little wiring harness is. That one's another difficult one to get to just because of this big beam right here, this piping. This is the one that actually went out for me. The way to test it too is you actually pull down. Let me get a good view up here for you guys, sorry. You see this red clip up here? You take your finger and you literally just press down on it. And there's another black pin right here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a black pin right above it, above my fingernail. And you just press down on that, pull it out. You can almost feel it when you're turning the dials on these for any of the, what is it, 05 to 09 ones, when it does make the clicking. If you just adjust the dial and you put your hand up in here and you just touch it, you'll feel the actual motor in it clicking. So it wasn't that one, wasn't this one, it was that one. Pulled the wiring harness out, turned the dial a couple times, turned the car on and off in accessory mode. Didn't happen, plugged it back in, happened, so that's the culprit. I went to the Ford parts store, got the part. It was $51 with tax. A little pricey, but I mean, I think you get aftermarket ones for like 20 bucks on like American Muscle or a couple other sites, but I just wanted a quick fix to get it done because it bothers the hell out of me. So yeah, what you need to get off the glove box is a 7mm deep socket here. There are 4 of these bolts here that go up into these slots right here. To take out the glove box, you literally just press in both sides. There's 2 little tabs there that just drops out after that. Gives you better working room up here to get to these. So what you have to do is just, after that, pop on an 8mm socket for the bolts that are up there. I believe there's 2 of them, there might be 3. And then just take it out from that, and then pop in the other one, pop back in the bolts. Once you're done, plug in the harness again, turn it into accessory mode, or turn the car on, turn the dials, and see if your clicking's gone. Ford parts usually have a 2-year warranty, so if this thing shits the bed, which I wouldn't be surprised if it does, because these things are cheap. Well, not cheap to buy, but they're cheap parts, I guess, cheaply made. You'll have a little bit of peace of mind. But yeah, besides that, car's looking great. 2,000 miles, mint condition, engine's in mint condition, nothing wrong with it, as far as I can tell. And yeah, I'm slowly moving along to start changing out some of the parts, a shorter antenna up there, because that thing's long as hell. Get like a Bluetooth navigation, touchscreen stereo, and from there kind of just do some minor touch-up pieces on it to make it feel a little more modern. And yeah, that should be about it. So yeah, drop any questions in the comments if you need any help with this or have any idea or any ideas about it,